Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Alok Kartari Yoga. Today we are going to study about Alok Kartari Yoga. When one house is surrounded by both benefic planets, it means both the side of the house, when there is a benefic planets deposited, then this particular Alok Kartari Yoga gets formed. Let's study in detail. Alok Kartari Yoga in Vedic astrology. This yoga occurs when there are benefic planets on both the side of the house. This will produce good results for that house as it is encircled with positive planets alongside. If Jupiter in 3rd and Venus in 5th will further strengthen the 4th house. In this case, let's check the results. The native will be lucky. The native will be religious and spiritual. The native's professional life will be superior. The native will be happy and joyful. The native will be lovable. The native's relation with brother will be good as well. Thus, it can be seen how this yoga creates happiness all around, which is so vital in one's life. This is my website. I have given the link of the website in the description box. Anyone can come for consultation through the website, or they can reach me through mobile, telephone, WhatsApp or Telegram. Number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.